What's going on, YouTubers? It is Friday. Dividends are dropping into the account this morning for some of that passive income. Our top performer for the week, LFGY, Let's Effing Go, came in at 70% distribution. XDTE came in dead last again with 21% distribution. Our overall distribution rate for the portfolio this week, 33%. Outstanding. 33% is pretty good, especially when the stock market is slipping, sliding, and crashing. Let's get into some of the numbers. Yahoo Finance is keeping up. I don't know why it says the 27th. They're always one day behind the actual date. That doesn't make any sense. The dividends dropped this morning. For whatever reason, Yahoo Finance says it happened on the 27th. So, QQQY, this one came in at, what was the 34% distribution. That gave us $4 and a couple pennies. Next one up, WDTE. This one came in at 31% distribution, giving us $3.70. Next one up, IWMY. IWMY came in at 46% distribution, giving us $1 or $5.14. XDTE. This one came in 21% distribution. That's our low performer for the week. Gave us $1.42. What else we got? QDTE. QDTE. What did it come in at? 35% distribution. This one gave us $2.08. RDTE. RDTE came in at 26% distribution, giving us $1.54. YBTC, Bitcoin's sucking. They're dropped below 80 just a little bit ago. This one came in at 28% distribution, giving us $1.84. YMAX. YMAX came in at 45% distribution, giving us $3.19. YMAG. YMAG came in at 53% distribution. Pretty good. Giving us $3.70. Let's Effing Go. Top performer for the week. 70% distribution. Giving us $3 and almost a quarter. I got 24. Yahoo's off by a penny. GPTY, last but not least, this one came in at 36% distribution, giving us $1. Oh, I messed that up. 57. So with $31 and a little bit of cash on hand, we went in the hole a little bit and we added the top performer, LFGY, this morning. We bought LFGY this morning. Taking a look at the week-by-week distribution rates. Excuse me. Let's Effing Go. Why? Excuse me. It's killing it. 4 weeks in a row, top performer, and it hit 70. It was in the 60s the 3 weeks prior, and it crushed it in the 70s. Roundhill, the S&P 500 XDTE. Seeing a trend, it's liking that bottom spot, lowest performer for the week. That's unfortunate. Next week, we're adding 7 more tickers to the weekly portfolio. Roundhill just dropped 5 more the other day, maybe the other week, I can't remember. And then we got to pick up 2 more of YieldMax so we can start comparing Defiance, Roundhill with the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. YieldMax does have a Russell 2000, a small cap, but they haven't released it yet, and I don't blame them. The market has been diving down quite a bit. It's lost quite a bit in the last week. They say uncertainty, there's certainty. Tariffs are coming. America's getting put first. The large corporations, they're the ones that are going to be greedy, and you and I are going to pay extra because they don't want to eat the cost of those tariffs. And yes, it is going to take a while before they can bring jobs back to America. Will they do it? Or will they ride it out and hope for a different president in 4 years? Only time will tell. Are you investing in this market? I am. Unstoppable. Let's get it. We'll see you next week.